Let's quickly look at how we can book a cab on the Uber mobile app. So I've logged in and already kept the account open on the app. So here you will have to choose the location where you can get picked up from. So I've pre-filled it, and here you get to choose where you want to be dropped off at. So I'm just going to enter DLF Promenade. And here you can see the time, the ETA by which I can get the cab, and here the options and the price for the trip. Now all I have to do is choose one of the options from here and click on confirm premiere. And the cab will start, the app will start searching for a cab.